Started to feel a little bit more spring-like as we're tapping into some winds out in the southeast. Really does make a difference. Remember, yesterday those winds were coming off the lake and we had a cold front come through. That was a lot of cool, dry air. And so right now we are going to see more warmth, and it's going to stick around only for Friday before we hit another little blast of some colder air. So let's get right to the U.S. map and the temperature changes that we've already seen just in the last 24 hours. See the biggest increase already in the plains. That's because yesterday they had areas that only made it up into the mid-teens. So we're going to continue to keep an increase in temperatures overnight tonight and even for Friday. So Friday is going to be like a very spring-like day, and we could even see a spring-like thunderstorm move through the area. Here's the temperature right now: 43 in Chicago, it's 47 in Peoria and Champaign, 60-degree temperature in Kansas City, 61 in Columbia. And notice the temperature is improving just to the west into Mason City where they're at 37. Now our radar already dancing with a little bit of flicker of green. That is rain, but it's not reaching the ground. Our dew point's still in the mid-20s. But we're going to start seeing a juicier atmosphere, and we're going to get those dew points back up into the mid-40s, even lower 50s tomorrow afternoon, and get enough moisture at the surface. Well, you know what's going to happen. You could see a little bit of popping of thunderstorms. So Friday morning, the rain, well, it'll be close. We'll bring in the rain for the afternoon. Heaviest rainfall could be by rush hour. You could even see some thunderstorms. And there is going to be a line of thunderstorms and heavy rainfall anywhere from Bloomington, Illinois, east into central Michigan. So there's the heaviest amount, and they could see some flooding. And regardless, we could actually see close to an inch of rain move through before the cold air takes over, and we see a little bit of freezing rain. This is overnight, Friday night to early Saturday morning, and then Saturday just very light snow. We're just talking about a dusting, maybe a couple hundredths of an inch of snow before the skies clear out, and then we see a chillier day on Sunday. Here's the rainfall amounts. You can see the heaviest over an inch in Valparaiso and South Bend, Kankakee around an inch. About a quarter of an inch farther to the north, they could see a little bit more as that rain hits the area a little bit earlier tonight. We've seen the winds out of the southeast at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. We even had some gusts this afternoon over 20 miles per hour. So tonight, we're looking for steady temperatures. We're just trying to get those lower levels to get a little bit more moist, and we're even seeing temperatures maybe rise overnight. 36 to 44 as those winds stay out of the south-southeast, and then a gusty south wind for your Friday forecast to bring in some mild temperatures, 49 to 55. It'll be a rainy day, and we could see some thunderstorms by the afternoon. Remember, heaviest rainfall amounts will be further to the south, and there's a potential that some areas could see some flooding, but we don't have any watches out as of yet. So 53 on Friday, nice day before the return of some colder air. 28, that's your daytime high, because you're probably going to get your high right after midnight on Friday night. And then Sunday, it'll be dry, 33, Monday, 37, and then we move back up into the upper 40s by Tuesday. But this is going to be another tricky forecast, and it looks like temperatures will be coming down. I don't even want to tell you why I put a 25. Well, I'll tell you why I put a 25, because the 850 temperatures, we look at temperatures aloft, and they're very cold. We're looking at like 16 below, and so it means another cold air mass is going to tug on in, and we could get a few flurries then. But that is next week. Let's look at what we've got going on right now, and that is our next little storm system that could bring in moderate to heavy rainfall. I just bring so much good news. Where the heck is the warmth? I need more of it. I'm meteorologist Duffy Atkins in the WGN Weather Center. Where's Duffinately Weather?